If you didn't see the picture on the left, you would have thought this was my hair. Hey, my loves. So we got a package from CurlsQueen. They sent some Light Yaki textured clip-ins, and they also sent like a maintenance bag. They included this super cute detangling brush, extra clip-ins just in case you need to replace any. And this bonnet, I've never seen one with a drawstring, but it's super cute and great for sleeping and adjusting the size for small heads. This is their 20-inch Light Yaki Clip-Ins. It's a 10-piece double wefted and full to the ends. This is my favorite heat protectant spray by Cantu. Always use heat protectant before you put any type of heat on your hair. I love this coconut milk serum because it's super lightweight and it's good for softening. A little wine break because I'm tender-headed and my arms hurt. You're going to start by sectioning off your perimeter and braiding that down. This will be your leave out. The method I'm showing you guys today is by far my favorite method. I absolutely fell in love with clip-ins after I tried this method. Once you have separated your leave out, everything else will be included in your foundation and going underneath your clip-ins. So you'll make another perimeter braid. That will be your anchor braid. The rest of the hair I just braided going back. For my braided foundation, I do like to braid left to center, right side to center. I don't like for my ending braid to be on either side. It just makes sure foundation a little bit more stable. Your braids do not have to be perfect, but you do want to make them small enough so that your foundation is flat. A good install starts with a good foundation, and we don't want no bulky hair. I'm going to always use a good peppermint oil to oil my scalp to help it from itching, and then get you a mesh net and go ahead and sew it down to your ankle braid. The net is going to remove the tension from the clip-ins because you're going to clip the clip-ins straight onto the net. So once you have that sewn down, go ahead and cut the excess net off. This is a 10-piece clip-in. The length of the wefts do range. So you have some shorter ones, you have some longer ones. I mean, that's good for placement, following the curvature of your head. The type of style that you do depends on where you would lay them by length. I do like to flat iron my wefts before I install them, just so I won't have to do the hard work afterwards. And I start in the middle with them going upwards. I'm going to put about 4 to 5 going up and clipping it directly onto the net. I put the medium ones in the center, the longer ones at the bottom, and the medium ones at the top, and the shorter ones at the top. As you are installing them, make sure that you're curving with the natural curvature of your head so that they are laying flat. If you are new to clip-ins, sometimes you may have to play around with your placement just to get it right. Once you get it right that first time, it'll become easy to you and you'll pretty much know how they are supposed to flow, and then you can get creative with them, create your different styles with them. This is by far the easiest install I've ever done. Since I've tried these Yaki clip-ins, I fell in love with clip-ins. I love how it matches my natural hair texture, so it's not like super flimsy. It looks like my hair. 10 out of 10. Short hair girlies approved. Once you've installed all your clip-ins, you can go ahead and take your perimeter down. And now we're going to blend our natural hair. 2025, I'm trying new things. I just want to encourage all my girlies to get up this year, do something, get out the house, do something to make yourself feel better. I don't care if it's simple as something that's doing your hair, but we're loving ourselves more this year. We are letting go of everything that's toxic and that no longer serves us or aligns with us. You cannot embrace newness if you're still holding on to what's comfortable. And I'm trying it all. Look how good this install looks. Super fast, super easy. And this will last you. And I'm sure this is something you can do at home. Invest in some clip-ins. Great for on-the-go hairstyles. If you've had an old silk press or anything, or you just simply want to press your hair out and need some extra length or fullness, this is definitely a go-to. Do we see how seamless it is? How cute this is? I mean, it definitely looks like natural hair. It is very much given. As you could tell from the beginning of the video, I am natural, but I do relax my edges. So anytime I do anything with a relaxer, any type of chemicals on my hair, I do go ahead and make sure I treat them, just because I don't want to keep putting heat on my edges or my hair and burn them out or break them off. As you can see, this style is very versatile. So anything like a half up, half down, high ponytail, mid ponytail, low ponytail, a bun, you can do it. And even if you want like a little bang, you can part your hair out if you leave enough out in the front so that you can remove some pieces and move them around some. If your hair is short like mine, or you just have flyaways, get you a light holding spray, and that will keep it from falling down. And I say light so we can be able to comb it out still and change it around.
High volume. Am I really that much?